guys, so I bought a new truck for Gangster Vegas, and it's awesome. So I spray painted it. So I spray painted it and did all this stuff. So let's get right into it. So you see the P? That's where my car is. Okay. Not yet. Okay, right, guys. It's gonna be awesome. So you see it? Oh God! Look at my truck. It's awesome. So like, it costs like 400,000 something. No, 425 point something K. But I can't remember. All I know, it cost a lot of money. So I think this is gonna be the end of my video. And take a last look at it. It's awesome. Bye.